Today, I'm going to draw a big character using these Copic markers. I only have 72 colors of Copic markers and some of them already dried out. Can I still use it to color big drawing? So, let's find out. But first, let's find a reference photo for my drawing. Once I have a clear picture in mind, I grab my pencil and start sketching.
Look, I-35 with the top down, quick to tell a hater they should get like me. Seem like everybody wanna be the boss, but it costs and these lames ain't like me. Drop a couple bands on the crypto fans, know my go, I ain't gotta tell them what it is. Tell them I'm a grown man, so you'll never fool me with the cap you be selling to the kids. Shorty, we the lords of the land, we wavy. Bad little mama tryna have a baby. In a coupe seat color like gravy. Children of the sun.
The character proportion is done. Now, let's add some details.
And I flip that. I be chilling with my shorty, got the crib on karate. Keep up, little baby, that's a kickback. Can't flex on the
I think this is gonna be my best drawing so far because it has my dream car.
From the side till I get home safely. Got 3 chains on me, neck strong, in a checks long, in a I'm up now. And I make little baby feel good in the hood around you. Shorty can't put a cup down. Glide through your hood like soap on a runway. No sleep, check a bag on a Sunday. Get it in a moment, I don't gotta say one day. Be cool, he don't really want gunplay. Slide to your side like a spoon on ice cream. Say I'm falling off, baby, that's a pipe dream. Everybody win when they ball for the right team.
Sketch is done.
Get into the cash, stop playing with me. You be in her DM, but she laying with me. Ain't really much you could say to a G. I'm on the road, I'll be everywhere they pay me to be.
Now let's do the inking process, and I'm going to do first the boring thin lines. I used to take time inking my character because I don't want to ruin it. Thin lines are done. Now let's add some thicker lines.
Stop in your eyes.
Oops, my back. This will take for a while, so let's do a little bit of stretching. Finally, inking is done. Now, let's add some colors. I'm going to start first by coloring the skin. I don't have much color to choose from, so wish me luck, brothers and sisters. I tried first the markers to the scratch paper to see if the colors blend well together. It's time to color the clothes. Because I have limited colors of Copic markers and that's really challenging, so what I did, I blend some color to create new shades of colors. Big brain! Now let's color my ultimate dream car, and I want it to be red. I feel a little bit tired right now, so let's drink some Yakult. delicious. Yeehaw! Now let's continue coloring this bad boy JDM car. I really love this car so bad and I'm thinking, how can I own one? 80% of the coloring is done. Now it's time to color the smallest part of the drawing.
One bad, two, and then I ain't gotta lie to you. iPhone, new flows in it. Don't be tryna put your nose in it. I ain't gotta lie to you. New whip in it. It be hard not to speed in it. I ain't gotta lie to you. Talk with a lot of emphasis. Like me, only difference is I ain't gotta lie to you. I know you're gonna learn to love me. Cause I be pretty when it's ugly. I hit her with a Dougie. I told her, baby girl, you love me. But keep the gavel, don't judge me. I'm everywhere the sun be. I'm at the crib sitting comfy. I go bananas on the monkey. I turned it to a junkie. And all my from the country. But we be flying out the country. My pockets on chunky. Quarter ounce of the musty. Talking numbers with the trusty. I see you getting rusty.
The drawing is done.
Heard them hating at the sky.
So now, enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.
Flexing, think you cool, tat it up, cover warm, different vibe, you new and pro. But you ain't even flexing, 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 but you ain't even flexing.
This video is pretty much done, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video.